Hello friends, welcome to Solidworks 2022. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to add images of related parts or subassembly in bill of material. So let's generate BOM in this 3D model itself. So we need to click on this bill of material BOM, and if you click on OK, it will generate a BOM in this 3D model itself. So here you can see I generated a BOM or BOQ for this robotic gripper. Now let's convert this BOM into Excel sheet. So here if you convert it into an Excel sheet, let's first name it RoboArm BOQ1 and we need to select Excel. And if you just save it, it can able to generate an Excel sheet. So let's see how will it look like. So here I am opening this Excel sheet and you can see the parts and sub-assemblies are generated here. Stepper motor, then this something SHKI VV7. So what is this? I couldn't identify. If you are sharing this Excel sheet with someone, sometimes we will not get like what is this item. So now we need to generate a BOM with its part images. So for that, what you need to do? Again, right click on BOM. We need to select Save As. Select Excel. I am naming it as a BOQ2. Now make sure this thumbnail box, here you can see this thumbnail box is checked, and then you need to click on Save. Now let's check this BOQ2, and here you can see our problem is solved. In front of a part name, it is showing a particular part P20V7 SHKI VV7 is what. Now here you need to note that it won't generate a thumbnail for a step file. It will only generate a thumbnails or images for part files or Solidworks assembly files. So for step file it won't generate. So this is how we can generate BOM, a bill of material, with its images in SolidWorks 2022.